Hi friends, here we are for grammar lesson number 4. We are switching grammar activities today. Today and the next lesson, we are going to be looking at capitalizing titles of books. We've talked about capitalizing proper nouns before, the names of people, places, and things. And today we're going to talk about capitalizing titles of a book and which words get capital letters and which words don't. Okay, so the first page we're going to look at today, it's called Terrific Titles. Looks like this. And there are just 5 books on there, and we are going to look at each one. It says correctly capitalize the nouns of the book titles. The first book is called Because of Winn-Dixie. That's about a 3rd or 4th grade book, and some of you may enjoy reading it. If you've never read Because of Winn-Dixie, you should check it out. So when we capitalize the name of books, we don't capitalize all the letters, but we always capitalize the first one. So this is because. And then the words of, the, a, in, all those little words that don't mean a lot about the title, they do not get capitalized. Because of. And then Winn-Dixie is the title of a character in the book. And since it's also a name, it does get capitalized. So here is title number 1 for you. Because of Winn-Dixie. Okay, I'm going to erase it so that I can write nice and big and write the next one. The next one's a book we actually read on our very first day of school, but I don't know if you remember. It's called First Day Jitters. If we look at the title, though, all of those words are important. All of those words tell us what the book is about, and none of them are those little words that link it together. So they're all going to be capitalized. First Day Jitters. And jitters means to be nervous. I don't know if you remember reading that when you first came, but we did. Okay, so then let's look at number 3. The Recess Queen. Well, here's an example where the word the, which isn't usually an important word in a title, will get capitalized because it is the first word. The Recess Queen. All have capital letters. They all are important to the title. Okay, I'm going to give you a second to catch up. You should be writing in your nicest handwriting. You should be having spaces between your words. You should be capitalizing each of the words of the title that we're talking about. Okay, these books are easier to write about because they're often books we are familiar with. Our next grammar lesson will be book titles, but they're books we're not familiar with, so we have to make a better decision on what's important and what isn't. All right, the last one, number 4. Miss Daisy is Crazy. Some of you like these chapter books in the classroom. I know Caleb does. So Miss Daisy is definitely important because that's the name of the character the book is about. So both of her names get capitalized. Now is not important. But crazy tells us what the book will be about. So it's capitalized. Okay, so that is lesson number 4. Go check out some of your picture books and see where the capital letters and non-capital letters are.